to close inspection report issued on OIOS application. So after logging into your account, you need to, if you have field, you need to get two things about the report: the field visit, and the second thing is PR. PR and field visit, both number, report number, you should have it before closing the uh, inspection report. So if you don't have, you just need to click on audit product. After clicking it, you need to click on search audit product. So here what you can do, click on search based on auditee team, auditee entity, and input your name of inspection report which you want to close. So we have Khargar report to close. So most certainly it will pop up. Then I'll click on search button. So you will be able to see the report. So this is PR number. You need to write it down somewhere, the PR number, because while closing it you need two report number. One is PR number 75053 and the second one is attachment. I need to see, this is field visit number. You will find it over the attachment. Alright, so you need to write it down, FV61160 or whatever your report number is. So after that we're going to click on view communication. So this will open that particular report. So this, you can see receipts linked to PR 75053. So it's like that. Then after that, actually I tried to close earlier, but I just left it. I just left on. So the thing is that this row will you will get the empty row. Okay. So after visiting this page, you have to click on add new receipt. So after clicking it on add new receipt, you will get the details of the reply. You need to just input the reply which you made over here, like the reply date. So our reply date is, let me check, I have already downloaded the reply of Khargar. So from here we will note down date and everything. So reply we received on 9/11/23. So later date will be 9/11. It's 9/11/23. All right. So you need to input the letter number. Letter number is BBC 102. BBC 102. COG part 2. COG part 2. तो 24/17 and we received the reply from ACM coaching, ACMCOG, and received on. So we will put the date 16/11/23. It's already there and there is no need to input any other thing as of now. I think just you have to input here reply received from concerned department. That's it. And if you we are going to attach the reply from here. So after clicking on attach, we will get an option. So I'll drag it and I'll drop it. So this is going to be the copy of reply which we received from ACM coaching. If you have any kind of query regarding this video, just post me the comment, so I will get back to you as soon as possible. And make sure that your internet connection is a bit good, because I have connected with my iPhone, so it's not very much good network over here. So because of that, the speed is a little bit slower. So uploading is finished. It's taking a bit time. So attach it over here, and then we will click on continue. Alright. So here it's written audit product. So while closing this particular report, we need to click on it and search for field visit. Alright. And in business, here observation. So after clicking it, you need to click on search for business entity and click on parameter based search. Then you have to put here field visit number, like earlier I told you. While putting the details, you have to put FV also, otherwise it will not search like I did earlier. Now you can see it's all the paras which was issued in earlier report is reflected here. You have to only click on those para which was issued, and I'll leave the reject paras as it is, and I'll submit it. Then it will add all the paras in your current follow-up. Alright, so I'm going to hit on continue, and select on action. So I'm going to create follow-up and click on finish. So this will create a follow-up for me. So I'm going to open it and put all the remarks along with the KDs. So here you can see that you need to just click here, and we will put proposed for closure of IR. Then we will click on accepted, status closed,
कैंसिल करोगे तो
reply is satis.
हाँ वो तो पता है, अगर टिकट कैंसिल करूँगा वो तो हाफ साइड ही जाएगा ना पीटीओ का.
reply is satisfactory.
ठीक। हाँ हाँ, नहीं वो तो समझ गया मैं, ये वीडियो चला जाएगा, बट मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि वो डेट
Close
चेंज नहीं
the
होगी।
entire report. Then you have to click on next. So this is a particular report. So we're going to close
PPO दूसरा निकालना
the
पड़ेगा।
paras also. So each para, like we
ठीक
have
है।
6 paras, so it will come 6 times. All right.
इसको तो कैंसिल करवा ही दो।
So
इसका
this
रिफंड तो
is, you
होगा
can
ना?
see that OBS number. All right. We click on right
हाँ,
same.
रिफंड तो होता है ना उसका, जो है कुछ जो भी डिडक्शन होते हैं वो रिफंड हो जाएगा।
Submitted for
फिर एक आप आके हाफ सेट पीडीओ बनवा लो, कभी से
closer.
मैं एप्लीकेशन लिख के दे देता हूँ। ठीक है ना वो? ठीक है, तो कैंसिल करा ही दो।
Then
हाँ हाँ।
you have to put accepted, settled, and uh, then I'll hit on next. So mine is like 6 obvious, so 6 times I need to do the same. See, it's now obvious number 140. I'll hit on amount recovered. Whatever your replies was there, you can input as per your concern, and I'll put and again hit the next. This time you can see obvious number 4760. Again I'll do the same. And I'll accept, and I'll select, hit on next. So this is para number 198. Accepted, settled. So I think we already submitted closure of 4 paras, 2 more to go. Accepted and settled, done. And this is the 5th paras we have submitted for closure. think so this is the last one. Accepted, settled, closed. So I think we have submitted our remarks in all the 6 paras. So after completing 6 paras, I think so you will not get an option on click on next. Alright. So all we going to do is click on send for approval. After clicking it, we have to submit this closure report to SAO. And let us check. Settled. Settled. You try to hit previous. Let me check. Yes, everything is saved here. So there is no next button, so it means we have already submitted all the paras for closure along with the inspection report, and we hit the continue. So here we can see that settled, history of proposal. Let me check history of proposal. Okay, and history. Then we're going to submit this to branch officer. So you can see that thanks for your input. The task is assigned to Anil Kumbhare with post SO for approval. So right now the entire report is proposed and sent to SO for approval. And if he approved, then the report will be closed. So that's it. Thank you.